Language arts in the intermediate program looks like vocabulary from classical roots, it looks like literature circle, and it looks like writer's workshop. In Writer's Workshop this school year, we did a review project where students had the opportunity to practice writing a review of a piece of media they found interesting. This could have been a film, a book, or a musical album. They received lessons on each of those types of media and how to write a proper review. They followed their interest, and then they ended up presenting those reviews. The language arts program in the intermediate program focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, and public speaking. A way that they practiced public speaking this year was through debates and persuasive speaking. So they found a topic of interest, which is a common theme for us, and they wrote a persuasive argument and presented it to their peers and received feedback from those peers about how persuasive their argument was.